Yeah, this nigga's slow as fuck. Slowest car at the meet.
This fool can't even work on his own car.
Hold on. Let's show some.
Cheap bitch, bro. Have it. Hey, you want another $1 with that?
She wants to play dice. Not over under.
I go like,
Damn! Gosh, I should have for this shit. Hell no.
Where's the dice?
yo,
Where's the dice?
she's pro. Liberty Rock R35 GTR. Completely custom, blah blah blah. Really, really nice. He has carbon on the mirror caps, carbon up here all across his roof, all the way in the trunk, the entire wing, of course. Actually, not even the entire wing. The sides of the wing are. This is, I believe, it's not forged, is it? It's like the flicky one. I don't know what that type of carbon is called, to be honest. Oh, I've never seen exhaust tips with like there's like lines of holes in its exhaust tip. That's really nice. Oh, he's gonna start it. I think he's gonna start it. Demon's insane. I never see Demons out with the skinnies in the front, with the Demon pack, fat ass tie on the back. I never see these out. This is insane. So this right here is a Pro Charge RCF. What do you mind? I was a Raptor Floor. Looks sick. You know me, bro?
The Supra. Is that a Supra?
Right hand drive. Oh, you can't see it. Should be race, alright. This thing looks sick. Turbos are like power coated red. Sick. I don't even know what these tires are, but they look, or these wheels. Look nice. So he gets a steel brake option for some reason, but still sick as fuck. It's a new gen one as well. Carbon everywhere. He got the red interior too. That's just hard. That's just really hard. Super race on the side. What can you see from it inside? You can't see that much, but I guess the red is a theme here. You got a blue button out there. I wonder what that is.
When you guys gonna race?
When are you two gonna race?
I'm on my phone. My shit is too slow.
So we got here this Shelby 200. We got LS shopping. Another booster stang. Another booster stang. This is hard. Ladies and gentlemen, the R8 is lady driven. Actually, I have seen one actually. Not a sheepy R8 though. This is cool. Lady driven sheepy R8. This is really nice. We got the new G80 M3s. Sick as fuck. These headlights look so nice. $1.35. What is this paint? Like a rose chocolatey paint. I do not like those wheels, but this thing looks super nice. Horrible wheels, but absolutely beautiful car. These are like what, 6-inch exhaust tips, 5-inch exhaust tips? Oh my lord! Single turbo N54 on the E92. Looks kind of plain from the back, and then the wheels look a little bit better. Oh yeah, carbon trunk of course. Always love the E92s. Got the carbon on the side right there. BMW M4. Beautiful car. Oh, with some niddles on it. Looks kind of sticky. I wonder what he got done to it. Oh, the 6-speed. Sick as fuck. You don't see those on since. GT500. Hanging around the Mustangs. and the OG Cobra. OG Cobra. These always have a place in my heart. These new edges always have a place in my heart with, of course, the fat tire in the back. These always have a place in my heart. Of course.
You should have got that sticker too.
Fucking R8. Sheepy Rex R8, twin turbo R8. That shit's hard as hell. It's hard. Shelby GT 500. This is nice. We got the R8, and then we got the Rainbow Wrap GTR 35. This is kind of hard. Look at this. Wait, this is not a wrap. This looks like paint. That has to be paint, right? It looks too good to be a wrap. Shut up. This looks hard. And then twin turbo R8. Twin turbo. It's kind of a sleeper, but you can't really see the turbos in it. Where the turbos at? You guys able to spot the turbos or what?
Oh yeah, they're there.
Did you spot them? There they are.
You might be able to see them.
I see them. Twin turbo R8. GTR 335. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 35 GTRs. This one with the Liberty wide body kit. This is hard as hell.
You should have seen it when it was fucking green.
You can see the injectors at the top. Yeah. Insane. Another white one. This one also looks built with the injector rails at the top. Everything looks modified. Yeah. Well over probably like I think these are all like I think 15. I think this was like 15. Pretty sure this one's around 2,000 to the wheels. I think I spoke to the owners before. Got my piece of shit. A little Maro. We got the single turbo N54, the M4.
We need to watch it like shoot dice.
I'm not gonna lie.
Damn! Gosh, she's so ready for this shit. Hell no.
Where's the dice?
Yo,
Where's the dice?
she's prepared.
20.
She said, I don't know how to play.
Okay, here, roll it.
No, she wants to play dice. Not over under.
Just do over under.
Do over under.
It's faster.
It's faster. So like you either pick over or under. 6 or 6 or
You gotta say, is it gonna be above 6 or under 6? And whoever's right gets it.
You got under, she got under. You got over.
You got 20 on it, Chris?
I got 20 under.
I bet. So if it's under,
Oh damn! Personally, Chris?
Do that shit.
oh, 8. That's Chris.
Give my boy his money.
Hey, I'm not cheap. I'm not cheap, bitch, bro. Have it. Hey, you want another dollar with that?
I take the dollar.
Oh.
Hey,
Take the
wings
dollar.
on me,
Buy
nigga.
yourself
Let me know.
something nice.
Oh my god.
That's my commission.
I will say get gas.
On God. Hey, here, bro.
He's like, I rolled him the right way for you.
Right? She gave me the $20. Look at you.
This boy Chris, I'm not.
Holy
That's
fuck.
king. Should have rolled for the one. That's king shit.
Earlier she was like, well, I was blocking my purse.
You guys go together?
You pick.
No, you call it.
You pick. Whatever you want.
Call it.
It's on you. Whatever you
Call
want.
it.
Whatever you want.
Call it.
Whatever you want.
Over?
Ah! Damn!
That cannot be
Special
Gino, bro.
20.
I'm just saying that's 2 8s in a row.
Bro, that boy lost 20 last week and 20 today.
120.
Hey, bro, never hit my wallet, so it wasn't my money.
That shit hit that boy's hand, bro. As soon as it gets in hand, I went to go collect.
It's cool though.
Hey, bro, you notice how it's every Sunday though? Because last Sunday I took his 22.
And the 50. Man, fuck Martin. That nigga lost me 50, bro. I'm sorry, bro. 20. That's what I was saying, bro. She's gonna put the
Here we are today.
What's up, man? What's done to your car?
Which one?
This one right here.
That one? So it's a ZL1, you know, LT4 stock blower.
What's up?
Got 91, strictly 91, pump gas only. Okay,
That's what's up.
that's what it's tuned on right now.
Uh-huh.
Got a little bit of this, a little bit of that. You know, some sauce,
Sick.
ready to go.
Any comments?
shit.
Any comments?
Nigga, fuck up,
Wait, what's under your car?
Hey,
What's under your car?
Chris,
Any comments? Any comments?
Yeah, this nigga's slow as fuck. Slowest car at the meet.
this fool can't even work on his own car.
Hold on, hold on. Let's show some. Let's show some.
Show him something worse. Hey, pop the hood.
Pop the hood. Pop the hood. Pop the hood.
Pop the hood.
Pop the hood. Pop the hood. Let's see what's up with these Mustangs. Let's see. I already know what's wrong with it. I already know what's wrong with it.
This boy's lid came broken.
What you gotta say about this, Ricky?
I think this shit kind of.
I'm finna bring out the beat sauce. He's
not
make this
bored,
boy
though.
car not start. It's right here.
Bro, all I know is the 5 said he got a Porsche.
I said running right now, but he won't.
Damn, he said he running.
I said I'm running right now, but he won't. I don't got a tune, bro.
What you gotta say about this? What's the car this? This is fucking sick.
Hey, bro, do you grip this or no? Do you grip it or no? Do you grip it or no? Not yet. Not yet?
Here we are.
Hey, are
the
you gonna-
trenches,
are you gonna race
aka nearby Chris's crib.
Are you gonna race that GT 500?
See.
No.
Are you gonna race that GT 500 or not?
No, he said no.
Why not?
Why?
See your fucking dick, bro. Oh, then look at this. We got here a purple Q50, and then the R35 with like the pink like lining on it. It's kind of nice. I like it. It's cool. I think it's female owned. Very nice. Lady R35. That's hard right there. That's hard. Oh, sorry. This Corvette looks so nice. This is hard. The hood jump Audi, what the fuck? GTA lobby. We got Evo 10, Evo. Oh, not this, not Evo. It's a Subaru Blockbuster. That's the office, right? Maybe X. The ZL1. Shit's hard as fuck. This bitch is looking fast as hell. I got a buddy with a fast ass one. Cam Trucker. That truck is good. That shit sounds so neat. Of course, Subi Land for everybody. A Type R. That's nice. You don't see those lows that often. Another Type R. We got an Evo over here.
Pushed about 40 PSI on the stock end.
Yeah. Damn, shadow turbo in the
Yeah, they don't hold up for long around those.
Evo with a fat ass turbo on it. I don't know if this is an 8 or 9. I don't know how to tell. Yes, it's a 9. The pop-up headlight. Got the little Z. Got the 2 Series. The C7. I believe this one's push charge too. This is the SLS one. Yeah, it is. This is a push charge SL. We got some BMWs. Hard. More M's. We got the big body AMG out there. C63. Or no, this is the GLE 63? I don't know what that is. The ring with the Rudolph. We got the Hellkeezy big tire Hellcat with the M5. Right here we have like the GTRs or like Skylines or the GTSTs of the group. Here of course R34 GTR big single turbo. We got this fucking Beaner right here. You have anything to say? Hey Beaner, you have anything to say to the camera?
You're slow.
Damn! Easy. Yo, Keezy. And then we have the turbo, I think, Mustang. Oh, fat ass fucking tires.
That sounds cheap.
And then tucked away back, the Ferrari Cali. It's in California, right? Ceramics. The Ferrari California. I'm pretty sure it's a California. And they just got it brand spanking new. The fucking demon. The demon with a drag pack. Oh my gosh. I think it's actually insane. With the fat sign in the back. And the red eye. The Civics Type R's. We have an entire group of Civic Type R's. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Civic Type R's. This is kind of cool. Look at this purple. This is hard. It's Hello Kitty. I think it's female owned. That's just hard. And the back's and all that. We got an Evo right here. Evo 10.
I think I could probably get out.
Oh. The Supra. You can buy little Supra. Slams all the way fucking down. Oh no, buddy. Oh no.